Welcome to our in-depth practical analysis. Today, we are thrilled to introduce the WNAI-E800L, the ultimate industrial AI edge PC. Designed for smart manufacturing, it guarantees stable operation even in the most harsh environments. Let's dive in. Let's start with the mechanical design. The system is protected by a highly durable metal housing. It measures 400 by 230 by 196 millimeters and weighs in at a solid 7.85 kilograms, making it both compact and robust. Equipped for industrial applications, the WNAI-E800 features 6 USB 3.2 to 3 Intel 2.5 Gigabit LAN, and dual display support via HDMI 2.0 and DP 1.4a. Looking under the hood, this powerhouse is driven by an Intel 12th or 14th generation Raptor Lake S processor. To handle intense AI workloads, it is armed with a massive RTX PRO 6000 or an RTX 5090 GPU, delivering unprecedented computing power. Built for extremes, this system is engineered to operate flawlessly in temperature extremes, ranging from a freezing -20 degrees to a scorching 60 degrees Celsius. Finally, let's put it to the test with the Unigine Superposition benchmark. Running on the demanding Full HD Extreme preset, the system achieved a massive score of 17,320. The WNAI-E800 is truly the ultimate workhorse for your AI edge computing needs. In the fast-paced era of industrial AI, you need a reliable backbone. The WNAI-E800 is ready to conquer any harsh challenge and empower your smart manufacturing. Winmate, driving the future with you.